We gathered here at the ITWeb Security Summit, sponsored by BCX, and we're at the Sandton Convention Centre. It is an event that we hold every year with ITWeb, and we're excited to share our knowledge with colleagues and see what it is that they've got out in the industry for us as well. There are different ways of deploying cloud. HCI is what I focus on, which is hyper-converged infrastructure. And in essence, if you think about a normal data center, which has got like servers, networks, and storage, this is a way of basically having one machine that combines all three. And in so doing, you must also realize that administration may be easier, but security is also very important.
I think the implications of cyber warfare are such that it's something that each and every one of us has to think, at least in terms of being aware of cybersecurity practices, whether it be good password hygiene, being careful about where we download software from and what software we run on our machines, as well as maybe thinking what sites or what applications we might connect to or communicate with. The benefits that AI can provide with dealing with mass data, being able to do that augmented type of influence on the way we approach our operations, will all lead to a new era of the way that we run our operations teams. So yeah, I'm excited and optimistic about the future, and yeah, look forward to see what comes next.
I am really looking forward to seeing what vendors in the IT security space are developing, how they're innovating to tackle client challenges, to hear from businesses themselves as to what are their pain points, right? And I think a combination of those two insights are going to help tremendously in terms of what my articulation of the South African market is and how Aon South Africa's proposition can be more targeted to be able to sufficiently meet our client need.
There's a lot of investment going into the bad guys' pockets and a lot of investment going into the good side. So we've got to look at how we use that. But the key thing is around making sure you're partnering with a business that is looking across the entire spectrum, looking across the entire attack surface and providing that guidance back to the business. So helping build a journey when it comes to security and continuously improving your security posture.
Just listening to customers, understanding what are their gaps, what are they battling with, and we can assist them on any migrations, trade up, any device that has come up end of life. Maybe they need to do a new security audit, getting ready for an audit. Those are some of the tools that we offer as a free risk assessment. There's no cost to the customer, and it just gives them that visibility and the planning ahead.
What will be transformative moving forward? Well, we'll have to see what the next attack vector is going to be. We will always need to be transformative because we are moving forward. And we are going to see a lot of AI learning to mitigate AI attacks. So that's going to open up a whole plethora of the new attack surface, if you want to call it that, or the attack metrics that we're going to be using.
The international trends at the moment is all around artificial intelligence and how we're incorporating the touch between humans and programs with artificial intelligence to help with the skill shortage. So AI has to be the top priority for all our OEMs to incorporate AI into their platform so things work without the human interaction, and it helps lessen the time between a breach and a remediation.
We know that this is one of the largest cybersecurity summits in Southern Africa, and it was very important for us to be here to ensure that we got our message across, and also not to just talk to customers about orders, but to be a trusted advisor and be a part of building cyber immunity in Africa.